Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing an important topic, how to communicate with women in a way that will capture their attention, spark their interest, and leave a lasting impression. We will be analyzing several powerful phrases that, when used correctly, can evoke strong emotions and create a deep connection with a woman. The key to success is to speak with sincerity and respect. These words will only have true power if they are spoken from the heart. Are you ready to learn the secrets to effective communication with women? Then listen closely. At the end of this article, you will learn how to become a master of communication, especially with women who appreciate depth and sincerity. And now, let's move on to the first phrase that has already captured the hearts of millions of women. You drive me crazy. This phrase sounds like a complete admiration, not just a simple compliment, but proof that you are deeply affected by the woman's presence. Such words say that she has a powerful impact on you, and her personality and presence change your emotional state. For a woman, hearing this phrase means feeling special and significant. Especially for those who have achieved maturity and wisdom, these phrases help them feel their attractiveness, both externally and energetically. Charisma and communication skills are important in delivering this phrase. It is better to use this phrase in moments of close communication, when your views intersect, or when you are having an honest conversation. These words create a sense of trust and honesty that cannot be faked. The second phrase is, I like the way you move. Your attention to detail is evident here. Compliments about movement sound unusual and truly appealing. Why is this so? Most men limit themselves to talking about appearance, without noticing the individuality that is expressed through gestures, gait, or manner. They appreciate it when a woman notices their movement. It speaks to their attentiveness and their ability to see more than just physical beauty in a woman. Imagine a situation where a woman walks with a smile and you say, with a smile, I like the way you move. Such a moment stays in memory for a long time because attention to detail, the third phrase, is a rare quality. These words show respect for the woman's feelings and a desire to savor every moment together. They speak of your patience and appreciation for the process of communication, rather than just the result. For women who are used to the fast-paced lifestyle, this phrase can be especially valuable. It creates a sense of anticipation and emotional closeness. Words are more meaningful in a comfortable environment. When you feel mutual trust, this allows the woman to understand that she's setting up for a meaningful and profound interaction. The fourth phrase, you are so sexy, emphasizes the importance of being specific in your compliments. Instead of generic compliments like, you're beautiful, you notice something unique about the woman like, you are incredibly sexy. When you say, I really like the way you smile, it shows that you appreciate her individual qualities, not just her general attractiveness. This boosts her self-esteem and makes her feel special. Finally, the fifth phrase, you have no idea how much you turn me on, is powerful because it expresses your genuine attraction. The woman understands that her charm has a profound effect on you. You can say these things at a time when you have already established an emotional connection with the person. The most important thing is to speak with confidence and sincerity. The sixth phrase, I can't take my eyes off you, demonstrates that the speaker is completely captivated by the other person's presence. This shows that they are genuinely attracted to the other person. It's best to say this in private, so the other person feels the sincerity of your words. Being with you, I want more leaves room for imagination and implies that the speaker's feelings go beyond just being around the other person. This phrase is intriguing and makes the other person think about what it means. It creates a sense of tension and interest without being explicit. Finally, your voice excites me as one of the more intimate aspects of a person's personality. If you say this to someone, it will leave a strong impression and show that you appreciate their unique qualities. These words show that you pay attention to details that others may not notice. How to use these phrases correctly is important. Now that you know some powerful phrases, it's time to understand how to use them properly. Here are some tips to help you make sincere phrases sound natural. If you say them without feeling, the effect will be lost. Choose the right time. Each phrase works better in a specific setting. For example, compliments about movement are perfect for a walk, and words about voice are great for a warm conversation. Look into the eyes. Eye contact enhances the impact of any words. Don't overuse them. If you use these phrases too much, they might lose their power. Why are these phrases important? Women value them because they set you apart from others. Most compliments they receive relate to their appearance, but when you talk about their unique qualities, like movement, voice, or charisma, it makes the communication deeper and more memorable. Now you know some powerful phrases that can help you become a master at communicating with women. The most important thing is being sincere, respectful, and choosing the right moments to use these phrases. Try using them in your daily interactions and see how they can enhance your communication skills. Remember that each woman is unique, so your approach should be tailored to her individual needs and preferences.